How to log in to Renasant Bank online banking. Kindly begin by opening your preferred web browser on your computer. Navigate to a reliable search engine such as google.com. In the search bar, type Renasant Bank and press Enter. From the search results, please select the official and verified link to Renasant Bank's website. If prompted, complete the verification process to confirm you are not a robot. Once on the home page, kindly select your appropriate banking type. Click on the Login button to proceed. Enter your username in the designated field. Then input your password in the corresponding field. You may check the Remember Me option to save your username for future visits, recommended only on personal devices. If you encounter any login difficulties, please click on Trouble Logging In for assistance. If you are a new user, kindly click on Enroll in Online Banking to begin the registration process. If the displayed user ID is incorrect, you may click on Not Your User ID to change it. Finally, click on Login to securely access your Renasant Bank online account.